four-time Miss Olympia Jay Cutler. Welcome to my channel, Jay Cutler TV, and make sure to stay in tune with the newest and updated videos. Subscribe below, guys. Thank you so much for following along.
Hey Chris, we're back at the Mecca. What day is it today?
Today is Wednesday. 54 days out from the Mr. O and counting. But who's counting?
You have to count.
You gotta count.
Shoulder day today.
Shoulder day today. Cannonball delts. So what we're gonna do here, both these guys, Stan and Shawn, have great legs. So I need to make those shoulders match those legs, get that V-taper. So right now they're warming up, doing some little light stuff and mentally getting prepared for the workout. So it'll be all old school all the way. I might throw some stuff in there, but like I say, it's like jazz. We never know what we're gonna do.
Talk about the interview. We just wrapped up your interview a couple days ago. Already the hits are through the roof. It must make you feel pretty good, man. Jay reposted a story on his story. Yeah. You saw that?
Yeah, I saw Jay. I made Jay's story, man. I mean, I made it now. You know, I made it. So, no, but thanks a lot, Jay. Thanks for reposting that, and thanks for everybody that actually tune in and see what I do. Hey, and thanks for all the
Did you get some good feedback on the interview?
I got nothing but great feedback and stuff like that. I really appreciate that.
That's awesome,
I like that you guys are entertained and you guys learn stuff and
great.
You know, give you a little taste of the old school bodybuilding. I really appreciate that.
Thanks for having us today, man. We're gonna watch these guys and see what does the delt shoulder pre-Olympia 2018 look like.
That's right.
All right.
Come on, Sam. Easy money. Easy money. So this is Sam. There you go. So Shawn. Come on, Shawn.
leg is moving around him. He's not moving around the ring. Higher!
Come on, Stan. Get some.
I have to ask you something. Did you see that interview with Chris that we just did a couple days ago? You haven't seen it?
Yeah, I saw you post it, but I haven't.
Because we said in there that Jay all the time is always calling me, how's Shawn looking? How's Dex looking? And I said, well, Dex looks big as shit. Shawn, I have no idea. He's always covered up all from head to toe. And then today you're wearing a tank top, so thank you.
Yes, sir. I got your message, Jay.
You got it, telepathically. All right, well, thank you. We appreciate that.
He's guest posing this weekend.
Oh, that's why.
I just figured I'd give you a sneak peek 8 weeks out, and
That's
it.
nice. Your fans will appreciate it.
This is it, folks, until the Olympia. Or next week, this weekend, and then
That's it. Covered up
I'm
again.
back to hoodies.
All right, thank you so much, Shawn.
Just now. I said, yep, turn your shoulder. Yep. When I was like, when I did, I'm not doing the Olympia. Like, he has a sixth sense of knowing, like, what, like, as I'm taking the picture, this is texting me. If you're leaving this morning.
Yep. 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 Get it up. Get it up. Get it up. Get it up. Come on, Sam. Lightweight. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Sam. Let's go, Shawn. Get some. Yep. Yep.
You're
Alright, guys, so shoulder workout, 54 days, Shawn, before the 2018.
How many days?
54 days.
It's a timekeeper.
Chris actually told me. That was a good one, Chris.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Kept it all school. We did it all free weight. We only used one machine. That was the rack on for shrugs, but Shawn likes the free weight, and we found out it really works well for him.
Right.
It worked so good his shirt fell off.
Right. So Shawn, Chris telling me that whenever you guys train together, it's like jazz. You never know what's gonna happen. You guys are just dancing the whole time, and you never know from one time to the next what's gonna be.
You know what, man? That's the exciting part about this is that right now we're just firing in all cylinders, and we just do what's being told. Because at the end of the day, that's why we're here.
Yeah.
We're here, to get the knowledge from PsychoFitness, and it's been a great journey, and we just, as I say, fired up for the Olympia this year.
Yeah, man, that's awesome.
As you guys see, I think this is the second time I've ever taken my shirt off.
Thank you so much for doing it today. I really appreciate it.
I'm just hungry, and there's been a lot of rumors that I'm not doing the Olympia.
Really? I haven't heard that.
I am doing the Olympia, folks. I might stay covered up, I might look small, but
It's the trend the past 2 years.
Yeah. Oh, I see.
Someone's saying that he's not doing it.
Really? Okay.
But I'm good and I'm ready to go. I got Chris PsychoFitness and Chris Aceto,
Alright.
and I got Stamina here with me, and I'm just focused and staying in my own lane and let whatever needs to happen. Whatever needs to take place, and
That's it.
my goal this year is to win the Olympia.
There you go,
beat
baby.
Dexter Jackson and beat Phil Heath.
Boom.
Everybody else, I don't really care about.
Stan, 54 days, man.
Yeah.
And I like your countdown on your YouTube and your Instagram. It's really cool. And your Insta story. If you guys don't follow Stan, go follow him on Instagram and all his stories. Very interesting and engaging. To see your prep all the way from the beginning till the end.
But I'm not showing my body though. No physical updates.
I saw your abs. I was not allowed to shoot it. He said, no, don't shoot that. He's starting.
I'm
Pulling a rodent.
Exactly.
I know. Yeah.
I'm showing everything I'm doing on my diet. And
Yes.
I'm training every day by day. It's been great because there's nobody else doing that in France.
That's right.
So
It's a lot of work.
Yeah, it is
It's a lot of work to do
It's
for your
very
fans.
rewarding.
Yeah.
I got a lot of people. They were saying like that's the one thing I was missing in the French YouTube community.
Yeah.
So they're very happy that I'm being able to do that, share that journey to the Olympia, the biggest stage in our world. So
Alright, thank you so much for having me, guys, today for J Cutter TV. We really appreciate it. Your fan appreciates it, and I hope we'll do some more. We have 54 more days, so alright, thanks, guys.